Hi, this is Ziyin Chen. I'm presenting how to run my Microminer project on an AWS EC2 instance. Here is instance detail, and here is the connected instance. I'm going to open a command prompt and then go to Documents to start my server. First, new server.jar. Now the server should start running in a sec. Then I'm going to start another command prompt to run the client side. So again, go to Documents, then Java Microminer client.jar. Then here's a GUI. Then I'm opening a file with 3 records, and I'm going to process it to have it sorted and shifted and sorted. Now I can search within this record. So if I type in universe, then it should give me all 3 records because all records have this keyword. If I type in central, then only the record that has this central word keyword shows up. If I add a noise word, then it doesn't change anything. And if I add Central City, well, nothing shows up because none of them contain both of the record, both keywords. If I type in the noise word only, then it says invalid keyword because it's only there's no good keyword to search. That's all I have. Thank you.